Hey there, I'm back with another exciting video packed full of incredible kitchen gadgets. These must-have tools are not only super cool, but also incredibly affordable. You can find them all using the link in the description. Stick around until the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing finds like this. Let's dive into the video and discover these amazing kitchen gadgets together. This is sauce pot and basting brush, a must-have for any kitchen. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while the generous 16 fluid ounce capacity allows you to effortlessly baste even the largest cuts of meat. The integrated brush lid design keeps the brush secure and prevents it from getting lost, and the removable silicone brush head makes for easy cleaning. The rubberized brush handle provides comfortable grip and added durability. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or baking, this versatile set is a convenient and efficient tool for any cooking enthusiast. This is basket set grilling, a game changer for any grilling enthusiast. With its leak-proof lid and perforated grilling surface, this set allows you to marinate and grill your favorite foods without the mess. The built-in handles make it easy to transport from the kitchen to the grill, and the BPA-free materials ensure safe and healthy cooking. If you're grilling vegetables, seafood, or small cuts of meat, this versatile set delivers exceptional flavor and convenience. This is Oxob Basting Brush. Its sturdy silicone bristles designed to withstand high temperatures make it a reliable companion for basting juicy steaks, succulent chicken, or flavorful vegetables. The angled brush head is a thoughtful design that keeps your workspace clean, preventing messy spills. Also, the long handle ensures you can keep your hands a safe distance from the heat. If you're tired of using flimsy brushes that fall apart after a few uses, the Oxob Basting Brush is the durable and efficient solution you've been searching for. It's a must-have for any serious griller. Stainless steel kitchen sponge holder. Here is a practical solution for keeping your kitchen cleaning essentials organized. Its open wire design allows sponges, brushes, and soap to dry quickly, preventing mold and mildew. The caddy's powerful suction cups provide a secure grip on most surfaces, ensuring it stays in place while you work. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this caddy adds a touch of modern style to your kitchen while offering long-lasting performance. If you're looking to streamline your cleaning routine, the Design Caddy is best for you. The Dishwashing Brush. This washing brush is a must-have for any kitchen. Its durable nylon bristles effortlessly scrub away tough food particles, stains, and grime from pots, pans, dishes, and more. The built-in scraper tackles even the most stubborn baked-on messes, while the non-slip grip ensures a secure hold. Even when wet, safe for use on non-stick surfaces, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this powerful scraper is a game changer for efficient and effective dishwashing. Oxo Soap Dispensing Palm Brush. With a simple push of a button, this innovative brush dispenses just the right amount of soap, eliminating the need for messy, soapy hands. Its durable nylon bristles effortlessly scrub away baked-on food and are gentle on non-stick cookware. The clever holder neatly catches water drips, keeping your kitchen surfaces clean and dry. Also, the removable drip tray with a built-in pour spout makes easy work of disposing of excess water. The non-skid base ensures stability, preventing the brush from slipping and sliding. If you're looking for a convenient way to tackle kitchen cleanup, the Oxo Good Grip Soap Dispensing Palm Brush is best for you. Stainless steel saucepan. This unique pan is a culinary masterpiece designed for precision and durability. The high straight sides and smaller surface area make it ideal for creating delicate sauces or heating liquids without excess evaporation. The sleek brushed finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the heat-resistant stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip. Whether you're using it on induction, gas or electric cooktops, this versatile saucepan is a must-have for any serious home cook. The non-stick hard saucepan. This saucepan is a game changer for home chefs. Its durable hard anodized exterior ensures even heat distribution. The drip-free pouring spout and tempered glass cover offer precise control and easy visibility. Also, the cool grip stainless steel handles provide a comfortable and secure grip even on the hottest stovetops. In short, this pan is a fantastic addition to any kitchen looking for professional level performance and convenience. The Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan. If you need a unique iron saucepan, then Victoria Cast Iron Pan is best for you. Its durable construction ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. The thick base prevents scorching, while the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. The saucepan's versatility is unmatched, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes. If you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan is a reliable and essential addition to your kitchen. Food storage bag holder. This sleek and functional organizer features 4 slots to neatly store gallon, quart, sandwich and snack-sized bags. The included label stickers make it easy to quickly identify the contents of each slot, keeping your drawer organized and clutter-free. Made from durable bamboo, this holder is both stylish and practical. With its compact design and no assembly required setup, it's a must-have for any kitchen.